Welcome on in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to do like a kitchen craft. This would be something fun to put in the kitchen. And guess what? Bees. We're going to do bees with it. All right, let's get started with these two big spoons from Dollar Tree. I don't know why they decided to do handles on wooden spoons. It's kind of interesting, but we don't need them. We don't need them, so we're going to take them off. You can leave them on if you want, or maybe if you can find some other spoons that don't have handles. Right, so now we've got our two spoons. We're going to make these look like little beehives, okay? You may have seen this before. I just kind of decided I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we're going to do it. We're going to just we're going to end up using two different types of twine. This is the thinner twine, and then I have a little bit thicker twine, which is almost sometimes called nautical rope as well. So we're going to start with the front here. Once we have that all wrapped, and we don't go all the way up, you can go all the way up if you want. I just went partially up. And then we're going to take our fatter one. This has got tape on the end so that it doesn't fray, because it will. Now we're going to do a little opening right here for our little bee friends. All right. So once you glue the ring together, then we're just going to place it right there on our piece here. Like so. Now we're going to do the exact same to our second spoon. Now we've got two spoons that are wrapped, ready to go. Now I want to go ahead and do something to make this darker inside. You could put black felt in there. You could put black fabric in there. I'm actually going to paint it. We're just going to bring out our licorice black, just acrylic paint, and just paint the inside. All right, so now we've got the inside painted. Love how that looks. That turned out really good. Now let's go ahead. We're going to put them together. So I double knotted this and then put this in a knot in itself, and that way it can be its hanger. So it's kind of like a hidden hanger because it's back here. Perfect. Now let's start to decorate our little bees. All right. Let's put something here. How about a ribbon? I've got this buffalo check. Thinking this would be really cute. And I'm not going to do any tails on this. I don't think it needs any tails. And for my center, I'm just going to do the twine again. Our bow, it doesn't have to be super pretty because we're going to put stuff in front of it and around it. So basically, it just needs to sit on here. We're gonna put, this looks like a great place for a big sunflower. This is one of those paper sunflowers. It was, I believe it's from Hobby Lobby, or it might even been Dollar Tree, and they put these stickers on them, but I don't trust these stickers to stay. Now let's put some bunch of little bumblebees. These are from Hobby Lobby. Cute are these. Again, they have these little stickies on them, but I don't like them. Right. Let's take, just to kind of add some little extra coming out of this. This is air dry foam clay. It's yellow. And we're going to make some honey spilling out of these. All right, that looks super cute. Now, I thought I've got these little sunflowers. I kind of want to add these too. Okay, so we've got our bee up here, we've got bees down here. We are looking super cute. This would look really cute in a kitchen or even a bathroom, sunroom. This would look great. Okay, keep on coming back for some more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.